Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Nissan Pulsar ST-S. Stock reference number 4167. The shape runs from the 5th month 2013 through to the 12th month 2016. It has an MR16 DDT 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. MR16 DDT 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front and side. We have the bonnet, which has 2 small dents, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, radiator grille, left-hand fog light, left power door, power fold mirror, left rear door appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left rear has an average tyre. Left tail light has a tidy rear bumper cover with a little extension. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right hand power door and power fold mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.